Oh my gosh, there is an R kid on their way to your therapy room right now and you're freaking out. It's okay. I'm Lindsay, I'm an R sound specialist and I've got you. This is an R emergency crash course. The first thing you're gonna do with anyone who walks into your therapy room is get to know them and build rapport. Ask them questions about themselves, their interests. Have they had speech therapy before? If they did, what did they work on? This is gonna give you so much valuable information on ways that you can connect with them, as well as build that foundation for a therapeutic relationship. While you're talking to them, you are gonna be taking notes. Take a piece of paper, draw a line down the middle. On one side, you're gonna write down words you hear correctly produced. On the other side, write down words you hear incorrectly produced. Are you hearing a distortion? Does it sound like it's almost an R, but just not quite accurate? Or is it a substitution? Are they totally swapping out the R for another sound, probably a W? If you're hearing mostly W substitutions, I want you to look up gliding minimal pairs. Introduce these word pairs to your student, show them pictures if you can, and feel out if they can really hear the difference between the words. If you're hearing more of an R distortion, we're gonna check for stimulability. Here's what I want you to remember about saying the R sound correctly. The sides of the tongue go up and brace themselves against the inside of the top molars, and the tongue slides back toward the throat. That's it for now. Remember those two things. Of course, there's more to it than that, but for elicitation ideas, you can go to this website. Pull it right up in your session and start going down the list and see if anything works. If during your conversation and getting to know them, you did hear some correct R words, then friend, this just got a lot easier for you. Figure out about where they are on the articulation hierarchy and try to say some of these R words there. You can have them come up with their own R word list, maybe words that are important in their life, friends' names, words related to favorite activity, favorite foods, things they would use a lot. You want to focus on getting high accurate trials. So whatever your word list is, see if you can say those words 100 times correctly in this session. That doesn't have to be each word 100 times. We're just talking 100 total. Okay, that is the quick and dirty version. You're ready to see this R kid now. I'm Lindsay. You've got this. Go rock the R. Be sure to get your R emergency kit freebie. Link in description below.